how to add details to DocuSign template. So first go to DocuSign and then just click on templates here at the top. From there, just need to open one of your templates, so I'll just open mine. Okay, now from here you can either add a document, recipients, and message as well. So let's just add a document here. I'll add mine, and then I already have a recipient. Add your email subject as well. You can also add your email message, and then just click on next here at the bottom right. Then from here you can just insert all of the standard fields that you want. You can also do custom fields and pre-fill tools here as well. And then after customizing your or adding all of the details that you want to your template, you can just click on send here if you want to send it to your recipient, or you can just click on the X button here, save and close at the top left, and then just click on save and close. Okay, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.